Okay, my name is Mark Meneses. I'm here from Sweetwater, Texas. I am a co-owner of Wind Energy Turbine Services here in Sweetwater. We are a windmill service company. We provide services for OEM companies, for manufacturers, site owners. We provide every type of service that's out there. We provide maintenance services, major component change out, anything and everything. Right now we're currently in between 65 to 70 employees. Well, we kind of seen a need for a maintenance company, a service company. We had the Trent Mesa project that popped up here in Sweetwater, Texas, and we thought that at some point in time they're machines and they're going to break down, so there's going to be somebody that needs to be able to work on them continuously once the maintenance contracts or service contracts are over. So that was our thought process. We wanted to start a company that provided the maintenance services and after the construction part of it. So, well, when this first started out, this was a very interesting career that it was a new business, a new industry that come in, and it was growing rapidly. So it piqued the interest of a lot of individuals, young and older, that were looking and thinking about doing a career change. So they took advantage of those times and ended up jumping into wind and gaining their knowledge into the wind platforms. We had several platforms here in Nolan County. We had the GEs, we had Mitsubishis, we had Vestas, and Siemens. So what better way to jump into what we were known? Nolan County was the wind capital of wind. So it gave a lot of people a new way of life. So it was good. Wind was really good for Sweetwater. It created a salary cap adjustment for Nolan County in general because our employee pool is limited. So and again, the business was really piquing everybody's interest. So they were coming on into wind, so it forced some of the other industries here to raise their salary caps to get aligned with wind. So it's been an economic impact here in Nolan County. I kind of tend to lean toward wind as again giving people an opportunity to provide a salary and a good living for a lot of the younger folks that decided to go into a technical trade, because just like anywhere in the States, not everybody's going to go to a four-year college. So again, I think this gave an opportunity for people that weren't wanting to go to school an opportunity to take advantage and start a career in wind and excel as much as they wanted to by applying themselves. So the wind industry is it's a big industry, but the core network is pretty slim. Everybody knows one another within the main part of the system, or the business, I guess I should say. Well, for the landowners, I mean, there is that decision that they've got to make to be able to give up some of their land for the roadways and the infrastructure that goes along with that. But I believe in the long run, I mean, that is something, and if it's a legacy of land that's being left from one generation to the next, that's a pretty good way to leave some income coming in. It's like the oil of of the land. Ours is the air, the wind. So I think it's an opportunity for you to leave something for your family if you're a landowner that that has some land that is able to get some wind farm or turbines located on their property.